In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds in one click using Adobe Photoshop. Background removal is a fantastic skill to have whether you're enhancing a photo for social media or preparing a professional presentation. With the power of Adobe Photoshop, this process is made straightforward and efficient. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Photoshop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download and set it up from Adobe's official website to ensure you have the latest features and tools available. Once you have Photoshop open, get ready for the magic to begin. To start the process, you'll need to add the image you want to edit into Photoshop. You can do this by dragging and dropping your image file into the workspace, or by going to File in the top menu and selecting Open to locate your file on your computer. Once your image is open in Photoshop, you should already be able to see it in the main work area, and this is where all the editing will take place. Now, let's talk about the heart of this process, selecting the subject of your image. Photoshop offers several tools for making selections, but we'll focus on the quick and easy way to do this. Head over to the toolbar on your left and select the Quick Selection tool. This tool allows you to paint a selection as if you were brushing over the area. It's smart enough to recognize edges, making your job much easier. What you're doing here is essentially telling Photoshop, hey, this is the part I want to keep. Once you have made your selection, we need to isolate this subject. To do that, navigate to the top menu and find Select, then choose Inverse. What this does is it inverts your current selection to focus on everything except your main subject. This essentially isolates your object from the background, setting it up for removal. With the background now selected, it's time to delete it. Simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll notice the background disappears, leaving only a checkered pattern behind your main subject indicating transparency. If you find that some edges are not perfectly clean, you might want to refine your selection. To do this, you can use the Refine Edge brush from the Select and Mask workspace, which will allow you to smooth out or feather any rough edges for a cleaner finish. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your image by effectively removing the background in one swift action. Make sure to save your newly edited image by choosing File and then Save As to preserve that transparent background, ideally in formats like PNG for later use. Thanks for watching and happy editing.